Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of principles of programming languages. The topic name is programming environments. This topic we'll find in first unit as topic number 7. Now let's get started. If you know any of the programming language, something like C, C++, Java or something, if you know what the task you wanted to perform, addition of two numbers or addition of two matrices or something, it is not enough that you know the task, it is not enough that you know the language syntax. You should find an environment to execute this kind of task using this kind of structure. So this environment is called as programming environment. Now, before we talk about what are different programming environments we have, let's talk about what is programming environment. Now, the definition of programming environment is it is the collection of tools used in the development of software. This collection may consist of only a file system, a text editor or a linker and a compiler, or it may include a large collection of integrated tools, some extra tools, each accessed to through a uniform user interface. This is what the basic definition of a programming environment. And this definition has been asked for 2-3 times in the end semester examination paper for 2 marks. Define programming environment, give some examples. So this is important for 2 marks question. Now, let's understand about different kind of programming environments. So there are several different kind of programming environments which are Unix, Borland JBuilder, Microsoft Visual Studio and NetBeans. Let's talk about each. Now, Unix is an older programming environment and first distributed in the middle 1970s. Built around a portable multi-programming operating system. It is multi-programming operating system or it is dual operating system, dual OS we used to call. It provides a wide variety of powerful support tools for software production and maintenance in variety of languages. Unix is now often used through a graphical user interface that runs on top of Unix. Examples: Unix GUI, Unix GUIs, graphical interface of Unix, are the Solaris Common Desktop Environment, Solaris Common Desktop Environment, or GNOME, Genome, or KDE. These GUIs make the interface to Unix appear similar to that of Windows and other operating systems. Borland JBuilder is a programming environment that provides an integrated compiler, editor, debugger, and a file system for Java development, where all four are accessed through a graphical interface. JBuilder is a complex and powerful system for creating Java software. The third is Microsoft Visual Studio .NET. It is a relatively recent step in the evaluation of software development environments. It is a large and elaborate collection of software development tools and all used through a common interfaces. The system can be used to develop software in any one of the 5. .NET languages like C#, VB.NET, Visual Basic .NET, and C#.NET, ASP.NET, JavaScript, Microsoft version of JScript, and F#, functional language, and C++. The last programming environment in the list of environments is NetBeans. This is very familiar nowadays. Today's people are using the programming languages where the programming environment is NetBeans. Now, NetBeans is a development environment that is primarily used for Java application development, but also supports the other languages like JavaScript, Ruby is a programming language, Ruby, PHP. Both Visual Studio and NetBeans are more than development environments, because they are also frameworks, which means they actually provide common parts of the code of the application. So these are what 4 different programming environments were being used by different programming languages to process their implementation task. This is about programming environment. So end semester examination, I told you about, this question has been asked 2-3 times for 2 marks. Define programming environment and write about the example programming environments. So this is enough for that. Thank you all.